Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing this pink and green pastel eye makeup look. We're just using Beauty Bay products. Carry on watching if you want to see this look. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you like it. Let me know if you give it a go and subscribe if you're new, and let's get into it. So I've already done my base just because Beauty Bay as a brand do not actually offer any base products, and I am going to go in with the eye primer and just plonk that over my eyelids and blend it out with my finger. It's not too sticky, which is quite nice, and the colour is pretty much transparent. Now for eyeshadow, we got a lot of choices. They're all really pretty and bright pastel colours. From swatching they seem a bit powdery, but we're going to give it a go. I'm just going to decide what I'm going to go in for as a base. I think I'm going to go in with Serenity, which is this really bright lime green colour, and just put that over my lid. Sounded like the Mario music. Normally I'd just apply with my finger, but trying to be professional. I realise this is not going to go at all with what I'm wearing. Okay. That's looking quite pretty actually. It's nice. Wow, that's so bright. My eyes look like they glow in the dark. Oh, I kind of like it. I mean, it definitely needs blending out, but I'm going to go in with the same brush and let's not go too crazy. We're going to use the colour Days, which is sort of a turquoisey, greeny leprechaun colour, and I'm going to use the same brush and just put it in my crease and pray it don't look too weird, rather than closing my eyes. I think this is the first time I've ever used bright coloured eyeshadow. Ever. And definitely more of a nude eyeshadow kind of gal. And now I'm looking like a leprechaun. Kinda like it though. Like, I feel really cool. I'm gonna use this sort of flat style brush. And what colour goes well with green? I'm going to go in with Euphoria, which is, if I can rotate my arm, this sort of pinky, purpley colour. It looks quite bright and I'm hoping it won't look too crazy. I definitely need to change my t-shirt though, this does not look good. And I'm just going to pop it along the lower lash line. I actually am really liking this. I feel cool, which doesn't happen too often. And I'm dropping things on the floor. Beauty Bay also don't do mascara in their brand, so I'm just going to use my trusty Kat Von D mascara, which has the world's biggest brush ever. And I'm just going to do my same old sneaky technique of just going crazy with the blinking. There you go. Looking good, right? Oh yeah. They're totally like watermelon vibes right now, but I'm okay with it. So I think I'm gonna go on to all the powdery bits, which I got a lot. So we've got some highlighter, bronzer, and this really pretty blusher. So I'm gonna start with that because I really like the colour of it. It is in the shade Blossom, and it is just gorgeous. Looking really stark and really pink on camera, but it's actually not as awfully bright as it's looking. Gonna go in with bronzer now, and we've got the shade Fawn. And I'm gonna go in with a different brush to I normally use. These brushes are from Beauty Bay as well. They're really good, fully recommend. Oh, holy hell, that's got a lot of pigment. Ooh! Give myself a jawline because I don't have one. Wow, I've never looked this brown. Gonna blend out, as always. Do you know what, this brush is the answer to any problems you ever have. Honestly, like, it fixes all my mistakes. all my mistakes in life. Okay, cool. How many times can I say cool in a video? I'm gonna go in with highlighter now, and I'm gonna use the shade Strobe. And I'm just gonna pop that down my nose. And on my cheekbones. Top of my brow, as always, and a little bit on the cupid's bow. So we have brows and lips to do now. I thought this shade would be way too dark, but actually it matches my eyebrows perfectly. For lips, I'm going to go in with the lip liner and lipstick. And the lip liner is in the shade Whip, and the lipstick is in the shade Freckle. Very cute. Let's change my top. I don't think this is doing anything for me at all. Okay, be right back. So that is it for the final look. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment, and I will see you next time.